The topic of today's video is how to transfer money out of Webull. And what we'll be doing is transferring that money right into your bank account. Keep in mind that this is for US bank accounts. So first of all, we'll start off on the Webull icon, which is usually the home screen. And then we want to go to the top here where it says transfers. Here in transfers, we will see withdraw. Now we need to choose between USD or Australian dollar. Over here, we can add our bank account. Unless you've already done it, then it'll be there. Now you just need to put in all your banking details. You can upload your proof over here by the plus and then submit. This could take a while, so be prepared for that. Now, once that is done, you can now enter the amount of USD or, of course, whatever currency you chose over here. And when you're done, you can just submit withdrawal request. And that's pretty much how easy it is. There might be a few steps after this, but at least you are in the right direction now. It should be pretty simple from here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Keep in mind that this is in no way any form of legal advice or financial advice, and I'll see you in the next video.